Stop spending $500 on a streaming setup. Seriously, today we're looking at what might be the ultimate starting bundle for 2026 from Fifine. They sent over a full kit, a streaming control, a dynamic mic, a boom mic, and a mixer. We're going to unbox everything, set it up, and see if this budget gear can actually sound professional. Let's get into it. First up, here we got the AmpliGame D6 streaming control deck. If you have seen those expensive stream decks from other brands, this is basically Fifine's answer, but way more affordable. You get 15 customizable keys, clean design, and a full RGB, which, let's be honest, every setup needs it in a 2026. But the real highlight here, and something a lot of creators actually point out, is the software. It's super beginner friendly. You can set up OBS screens, control music, add macros, trigger multiple action with one button, and this is actually huge. Inside the app, they include a built-in tutorial videos for almost everything. So instead of searching it on YouTube, you literally can just watch, copy, and you're done. That alone makes this way easier, less intimidating if you're starting out. Next up, we got the Fifine K688 microphone. And this is kind of a start of the setup. This is a USB and XLR dynamic mic. And a lot of reviews actually like this because it gives you a flexibility. If you're a beginner, just plug in the USB and you're good to go. If you want a better control later, switch it to XLR. And because it's a dynamic microphone, it naturally cuts out the background noise, like keyboard, fans, or your room echo. This is why a lot of streamers prefer this over a condensed mic. Build quality is solid too, all metallic, feels durable, not cheap at all. Yo, this is mic test. This is the microphone without connecting to the audio mixer. Like, I have more background noise, but half of it's literally cut. There's a bit of echo, but you can just tweak your settings in the OBS or whatever app you're using, and you're good to go. So let's continue. And to go with it, we got the CS1 boom mic. It's sturdy, smooth, doesn't squawk, and it makes your setup look way cleaner. You can position this mic exactly where you want, which is honestly a big upgrade if you have been using a desk stand. And now this is where the things start to feel more professional. The AmpliGame SC3 audio mixer, RGB plus control shots. This gives you actually physical control over your audio. You can adjust mic volume live, you can control game audio, chat, add effect, and just fine-tune everything without tabbing out. A lot of creators mention that this is the step that makes your setup feel serious, and not just plug and play. And yeah, it also has RGB, so it matches the whole aesthetic. Quick heads up though, this is important. To connect the K688 mic to the SC audio mixer using XLR, you would need an XLR cable, and Fifine doesn't include that on the mic or the mixer. So if you want the full setup to work properly, you make sure to grab one separate, or you can just get it on the Fifine website. Putting everything together is actually really simple and easy. Microphone goes on arm, XLR into the mixer, and everything is connected to a PC via USB cable. And honestly, within like 10 minutes, your desktop goes from basic to looking like a full streaming studio. Okay, so just connected the mic to the audio mixer. And for some people this might be useful, but for me it's not. And you also have this electric button that you can use over here and do your voice, like almost same like I'll say like Travis Scott does it. This is like all the options that you can do. There's so many. And you also have custom buttons over here that you can use to do like custom voice that you want to do, and then you just don't have to mess with anything, or like the audio thing. And you also have here the audio muter and everything. You can do whatever you want. You have over here you can mute, so you don't have to do this. You can only just do this mute over here, and that's it. You also have the RGB. You can change it to any color you want, or just you can leave it a normal. Here you have the voice changes. I'm gonna use it right now. This is male. Okay, so
this is male voice changer, and it actually sounds pretty deep. It sounds like a real voice.
Okay, this is the female voice changer, which sounds actually not that bad.
This is the robot. Hey, this sounds very good. This is the master voice changer. Make sure to like and subscribe.
This is the baby sound. You can use this to troll people, but it's not that bad.
This is, oh, I sound like I'm an 80. Hello.
okay, so that's it. And you can also use here, and you have everything down here. But that's pretty much it for the audio mixer. And I think it's literally very cool to have a voice changer on the audio mixer, which some of the audio mixers don't have this. This is actually pretty cool. So, is this the best starting bundle of 2026? For the price, it's honestly hard to beat. You're getting a stream deck, a solid dynamic mic, a clean mic boom, and an audio mixer to level up your audio. And what really stands out compared to other creators say is how beginner friendly everything is, especially with a built-in tutorial system on a stream deck. If you're trying to build a clean professional setup without spending crazy money, this is really strong option. I'll leave the link in the description for every device that you guys want to get. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like and subscribe and let me know, would you use this on a setup?